Hey, it's your girl Janequa Johnson with the American Realty, giving you a quick recap of last week's open house right here at 276 Lakemoore Drive Northeast, Unit E in Buckead. This is the only unit with its own attached garage and deeded storage. This 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath condo offers a layout that feels both comfortable and functional, with a private patio in front, spacious living area, and a location that puts you minutes from Chaston Park, Buckead dining, shopping, and more. One of my favorite features of this condo itself is you're surrounded by peaceful trails, creeks, and nature while still being in the middle of the city lifestyle Atlanta is known for. If you missed the open house, don't worry. Private showings are available. Simply call, text, or just DM. You can get your private showing scheduled today. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.